In typical string inverter systems, one MPPT is connected to a single or multiple strings. Generally, strings of the same product model and orientation are connected to the same MPPT to ensure that the current and voltage of all modules in each MPPT remain consistent. However, in actual applications, due to the influence of roof layout, orientation, and shade, it is often impossible to ensure that the modules connected to the same MPPT maintain the same current and voltage. If the difference is large, each module cannot achieve maximum power output, which is likely to cause module mismatch and affect system power generation. It is worth mentioning that the microinverter system adopts a module-level input design, which enables each module to have an individual MPPT to achieve maximum power output. For example, when a single module is shaded and the power generation efficiency is reduced, the power generation of other modules will not be affected. Or when a single module fails, the power generation of other modules in the system will not be affected. Under the same circumstances, the system using microinverters can increase power generation by 5 to 25% compared to the string inverter system. In addition, with this advantage, when installing the system, there is no need to worry about issues such as multiple roof orientations and shade. The roof area can be maximized to achieve full installation. Follow us to learn more professional knowledge of PV system.